Last Sunday, Anna woke up very early because she wanted to go hiking in the mountains near her town. She had been planning the trip for 2 weeks, and she was very excited. Before leaving home, she packed a small backpack with 2 bottles of water, a chicken sandwich, an apple, and her camera. She also brought a light jacket just in case the weather changed. The weather that morning was perfect. The sky was blue, the air was fresh, and the sun was shining. Anna walked to the bus stop and took a bus to the start of the hiking trail. On the bus, she met another hiker, a student named David. They talked about hiking and shared their plans. David wanted to take photos of birds, and Anna wanted to see the view from the top of the mountain. When Anna started the trail, she felt full of energy. She walked past tall green trees, listened to birds singing, and crossed a small wooden bridge over a river. Along the way, she met an old man walking his dog. They talked for a few minutes about the mountain and the best places to rest. The man told her about a beautiful waterfall further up the trail, so Anna decided to go and see it. After 1 hour of walking, Anna reached the waterfall. The water was very clear, and the sound was loud but relaxing. She took many photos and stayed there for about 15 minutes before continuing her hike. The trail became steeper, and Anna began to feel tired, but she kept going. She stopped a few times to drink water and rest. Finally, after almost 3 hours, Anna reached the top of the mountain. She was very tired, but also very proud. She sat down on a rock, ate her sandwich and apple, and enjoyed the beautiful view of the town, the river, and the fields below. She used her camera to take more pictures, and she even saw David again, who was looking at birds through his binoculars. As the sun began to set, Anna walked back down carefully. She returned home in the evening, feeling exhausted but happy. It was one of the best Sundays she had ever had, and she decided she would go hiking again very soon,